We are continuing one-step equations with multiplication and division examples. Page 9, number 7. Watch out! Do you need to reverse the subtraction or multiplication to isolate the variable? Negative 7n equals 49. What is the operation between negative 7 and n? This is multiplication. It's negative 7 multiplied by n. So to cancel multiplication, you have to divide by negative 7 and divide by negative 7. Negative 7 and negative 7 is cancelled. N equals 49 divided by negative 7 is negative 7. So a lot of times I have seen students make a mistake. They think this is a multiplication because you have negative before 7. They try to do plus 7 and plus 7. That's not correct. This is still multiplication. You have to divide both sides by negative 7. Same, similar example for number 8. 20 equals negative 4x. What is the coefficient of x? It's negative 4. This is negative 4 multiplied by x. You don't do plus 4 to cancel negative 4. You have to divide. You have to divide both sides by negative 4. Divide by negative 4 to cancel the multiplication, the operation between negative 4 and x. So negative 4 and negative 4 is cancelled. X is on the right side. 20 divided by negative 4 is negative 5. Watch out! Don't forget to divide by the coefficient, the number before the variable, not by the smaller number. Your answer can be in fraction form. Number 9, 8n equals 2. Do you have to divide by 8 or 2? Some students try to divide by 2 because 2 is a smaller number, but that's not correct. You always divide by the coefficient of the variable. Because it's 8 multiplied by n, to cancel, you have to divide by 8. Divide by 8. And 8 and 8 is cancelled. N equals 2 over 8. But let's simplify our fraction. Let's enter 2 over 8 into decimals. And then let's simplify it. It simplifies to 1/4. So your answer is 1/4. Number 10 is a similar example. 20x equals negative 5. Do you have to divide by 20 or do you have to divide by negative 5? You always divide by the coefficient, the number before the variable. So you have to divide by 20, divide by 20. And 20 and 20 is cancelled. X is negative 5 over 20, but let's use decimals. Negative 5 over 20. And then let's simplify the fraction. It's a negative 1/4. So x is negative 1/4. And the last examples, remember that negative x is equal to negative 1x. If you don't see any number before variable, you actually have an invisible coefficient of 1. So this is same as negative 1x equals 2. So you have to divide both sides by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. Negative 1 is cancelled. X equals 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. Number 12, negative n is the same as negative 1n equals negative 5. So divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, n equals negative 5 divided by negative 1 is a positive 5.